In this video, I'm participating in the Peach Dessert Challenge. If you want to see what I come up with, stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen and I enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, and more. So if you're interested in that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe. So hit that subscribe button right down below and make sure that you tap the notification bell right next to it because I don't want you to miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. All right guys, I am participating in the Peach Dessert Challenge and it's being hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan and the Sister Circle right here on YouTube, and it's an open invitation. So anyone was welcome to participate. And all we had to do was basically come up with a peach dessert using fresh peaches, or even a beverage I would imagine would be okay. But use fresh peaches and whatever you prepare and just share with us what you come up with. So today, guys, I am going to be preparing grilled peaches. All right. So I have already gone ahead and washed off my peaches. I cut them around and then just twisted them off and separated them and took the pit out, the seed out. All right. So I've got one peach here that I've divided. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and brush it with a little olive oil before I put it on my grill pan. And my grill pan is heated and it's ready to go. You want it pretty hot, not too high, but like medium high, because you just want to have grill marks on your peaches, but you don't want to cook them too long because they'll get mushy and they'll fall apart. So I would say cook them 2.5 to 3 minutes. Just keep your eye on them because that's what I'm going to do because the heat is, pretty high. So let me go ahead and I've got some extra virgin olive oil in a little bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and brush the peaches with that, the flesh side of the peaches that I've cut. So go ahead and brush those. I love peaches, guys, especially fresh peaches. I don't like the canned peaches because I don't like all that syrup in the peaches or in the can. I don't have enough olive oil in this bowl. Let me pour a little bit while I'm talking to you guys. But I liked fresh peaches, and I like them in cobblers, just fresh, just to, eat them fresh, cobblers, grilled, of course. And then one of my favorite beverages is a peach Bellini, and maybe in a future video, I'll share with you how I make those, but I didn't get a chance to make those today, so I'm just going to grill up these peaches today for you guys. All right, so that is it there. The olive oil is already on the peaches, and so we are ready to go. My grill pan is hot, so what I'm going to do, guys, is pan the camera around to my grill pan so you can see the peaches go down on the grill. Okay guys, I am back and here's my grill pan. It's nice and hot, and I'm going to go ahead and place the peaches flesh side down onto the grill pan. Here we go. So like I said, you just want to get grill marks on them, and I'm just going to keep my eye on them for about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Once they get nice and grilled, and then they'll be ready to come off. Okay guys, these are ready to come off the pan, out of the pan. And as you can see, well, let me get it on the plate first. See that nice char? That's what we want. Ooh, that one got a little bit, well, that's okay. It's still gonna be good though. All right, so that's what they look like. This pan off. All right, so let me go ahead and turn the camera around because I'm going to add something on top of these peaches, guys. Okay guys, so peaches are good to go. They have nice grill marks on top. So now what I'm going to do is on one half of the peaches, I'm going to be drizzling a little bit of this Brianna's Homestyle rich poppy seed peach dressing. I don't know if you guys have tried that, but it is really good. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of this on one half of the peaches, and then on the other half, I'm going to sprinkle some brown sugar. My spoon. All right. So let's go ahead and drizzle a little bit of this peach dressing. Make sure you guys can see it. Okay. And then sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on the other. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Let me give you a close-up, guys. All right, brown sugar on one half, and then the poppy seed peach dressing on the other. So let's give these a try. Like I said, guys, you don't want to cook them more than 3 minutes or so on the grill because they'll get mushy and they'll fall apart. So you got to keep your eye on it. All right, so this is the one with the peach dressing. It's really tasty. If you like poppy seed dressing, you're going to like this. It does have a kind of a sweet taste to it. But Brianna's has different type of dressings for different fruit, like strawberries, peaches. But you don't have to drizzle anything on your peaches if you don't want to. If you just want to sprinkle them with the brown sugar, that's fine too. So let's go ahead and give these a taste as well. I love brown sugar. I put brown sugar on my sweet potatoes. And cinnamon too. Ooh, I bet cinnamon would probably be good on this too. So cinnamon and brown sugar mixture, I bet would be good on that. I haven't tried that before. I usually just put the brown sugar, but I bet if you mix a little cinnamon and brown sugar, that would be real good. All right, let's try the brown sugar. That's really good, guys. The brown sugar is really good. So I think you guys would enjoy this grilled peaches because it's quick, it's easy. You know, there's nothing to it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and let me know down in the comments what you liked most about this video. If you think you're going to try the grilled peaches, and if you're going to try that dressing or the brown sugar or both. They're really good. And I want to thank Denise Jordan, the lovely Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan, for hosting this peach dessert challenge along with the Sister Circle. I really appreciate it. I had fun because I love peaches, so this was just a fun dish to create. I will make sure and put the link to the playlist for the for this peach dessert challenge. I'll put it down in my description box right down below so that you can go over and check out all of the participants and their peach dessert recipes. And I'll make sure and put the link to Denise Jordan's channel as well, This and That with Denise Jordan. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Remember, always live your life to the fullest every day. Thanks again for watching. Whoop! They're slippery, guys. Oh boy.